Use the Site Styles menu to edit the appearance of buttons on your site and match calls to action to your site's visual design. When editing a site, open the Site Styles menu and click Buttons. Select the type of button you want to style: primary, secondary, or tertiary. Here you can adjust the text, shape, outline, and horizontal and vertical padding. Most buttons that aren't button blocks, like Add to Cart buttons or buttons in newsletter blocks, follow primary style settings, so keep that in mind while editing primary buttons. Some blocks, like form blocks, allow you to customize what kind of button appears in the block. Button colors, for both background and text, follow your site's global color settings and can be adjusted in the Site Styles menu under Colors, then under your current theme. Let us know if you have any questions. We're always here to help.